Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about Promise.race method. So, what this method does, as you know, as the name suggests, it gonna give you simultaneously. Even my mouth broke how hard the word is. So, yeah, if you can put like 2 or 3 promises at a time, and the first promise we will get to you is accepted and others are rejected. So this is what Promise.race do. So let me give you an example. What I'm gonna do is create a variable and promise 1 equals new promise P will be uppercase though, and we will pass a function. And so you can use the typing function, but I'm gonna use the al function. So resolve comma reject, and after that what I'm gonna do is the use the arrow and pass set timeout, set time out. It's a timeout method. If you don't know, you can check it now. I have a video about that. Resolve comma 500 comma comma something like 1, because it's promise 1. So after that, what we're gonna do is create another promise same as this, but it will be have a large time. So promise 2, and it will have like 100 milliseconds, and it will return 2. And as you know, the obviously the hundreds the second promise is gonna win if it's become a race. So this is what we are doing now. And now I'm gonna pass a race to both of them. Promise dot race, and now we'll pass the array of promises. So promise 1 comma promise 2, and when we do that, we will use the then, and then what we're gonna do is inside that value equals, use the fatale function, and it gonna log it on the console, the value of that. So when the race begins, the fastest to come will be the winner. So there is something missing. Oh yeah. So I think what I did, yeah, 2. So the winner of the race is 2, because it has a shorter time out, that's why. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.